A proposal for a cancer treatment study involving radioactive metal cofactor enzymes. Cancer is a serious pathological condition of abnormal cells are gathered in tumors in the body's tissues or organs. Due to their accelerated metabolism, cancer cells require a great demand for energy, protein, cell structure substrates, and metabolic enzyme activity. If the body does not respond adequately to this demand, the metabolic processes of cancer cells will be hampered, and their growth will be limited or even stopped. It is possible to control the metabolic processes of the cancerous tumors by performing one or more of the following approaches: stopping the energy and cell structure substrate supply, inhibiting enzymic activity, and/or destroying cancer cells with external agents such as radiation and/or chemicals. These approaches have been investigated either in single or combination modes, but so far the results obtained have not been on par with expectations. In this paper, we propose a method of cancer treatment which entails the use of a radioisotope instead of stable metal to break down the structure of metal cofactor enzyme and to deactivate its catalytic function. With a judicious choice of the metal radioisotope, this method is even able to perform all the above-mentioned approaches and at the same time, giving a much better efficacy in cancer treatment. Cancer remains one of the biggest health challenges facing humanity today. Despite extensive research, current treatments are still not fully effective in stopping cancer. One of the reasons cancer is so difficult to treat is that cancer cells grow and multiply very quickly, which requires a lot of energy and proteins. To meet these needs, cancer cells depend on special proteins called enzymes that help speed up important chemical reactions. Some of these enzymes need metals to function properly. These are called metal-dependent enzymes or M-enzymes. The activity and stability of these enzymes are heavily dependent on the metals they contain. If the metal component becomes unstable or changes, the enzyme can no longer function correctly. This offers a promising way to stop cancer cell growth by targeting these M-enzymes. In this study, we explore a novel approach, replacing the stable metal in these enzymes with a radioactive version, known as a radioisotope. Over time, the radioisotope naturally breaks down and turns into a different element. This change disrupts the enzyme's structure or function, stopping it from helping cancer cells grow and divide. By carefully choosing the right type of radioisotope, we can potentially disrupt only the enzymes inside cancer cells while leaving healthy cells unaffected. This method could offer a new and targeted way to fight cancer by cutting off the tools cancer cells use to survive and spread, without harming the rest of the body as much as current treatments like chemotherapy or radiation often do. This study proposes a new approach to cancer treatment by combining the benefits of chemotherapy and radiotherapy in a single method. It focuses on targeting special enzymes in cancer cells that rely on metals to function, known as metal-dependent enzymes, M-enzymes. By replacing the stable metal with a radioactive version, called M*, the enzyme becomes unstable and stops working when the metal changes during radioactive decay. This process not only disables the enzyme but also releases radiation that can directly damage cancer cells and nearby harmful molecules. For example, using a radioactive form of magnesium, Mg28, can block energy production in cancer cells and release radiation that helps destroy them. While this idea is still theoretical and has not been tested in experiments yet, it offers a promising new way to fight cancer. The author encourages collaboration with other researchers to explore and develop this innovative treatment method further. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.